Bill?
ECs, we're moving into mid-August, and that usually means by our calendars that tropical activity picks up. Traditionally, it's the 4 weeks of mid-August to mid-September that are the most active of the 6-month hurricane season. So with that knocking on the door, we're certainly seeing the timing unfold just that way. So we're going to talk tropics tonight and the impact for South Texas. First, we're talking the Hill and our beautiful flags. We've got Texas, we've got the US of A, and they look beautiful on this Wednesday night. 3 down and 2 to go. We're getting over the hump. It's going to be a nice, easy slide downhill into the weekend, right? 86. Feels like 90 tonight with an east and northeast breeze. So dew point still near 70. And we're definitely expecting, mid to upper 70s by morning. Warm and muggy weather waiting for you Thursday morning. Hot day today, 101 at Seguin, 102 at Gonzales, Hondo, then some 103s, Floresville, Pleasanton, out to the west for Del Rio. But 105s will take the prize. It's going to be Pearsall and Cotulla. Our 100 in San Antonio makes it now 13 on the year compared to 3 years ago, 58. 2 years ago, the record, 75. All right, watch the soaking rains again, the Hill Country. Just like yesterday, it was near Real County, but more Kerr County today in Bandera. Then you can also see out to the east, a lot of these storms were trying to hold together down I-35. They were pretty rough going for a minute there. In fact, we had one severe thunderstorm warning northeast Kendall County at about 5:30. That was producing some decent hail in a very rural area. So it didn't impact comfort, did not impact burning. But I'll tell you, some decent rain deposits. Look at this, nearly 3 inches southern Kerr County. About ½ an inch near Helotes, a little more than ¼ inch north of Bernie, and then near Sabinal, about 2 inches of rain. But that's all coming to an end. Tomorrow, even Friday, next 48 hours are dry. Only a 10% chance an isolated shower pops up. Nothing like what we've seen the last 2 days. These will be more sea breeze generated. If anything, it'll be daytime heat. And again, a 10% chance. But then chances are ramping up fast because of what could be. And when I say could, remember, that's a 20% chance could right now that we're looking at Fernand. That would be the next name on the list, but this is not expected to develop into a named storm. But even without that, it's in the Bay of Campeche by tomorrow, and then moving into the northern western Gulf by Friday, really. But you can start seeing some of that moisture move onto the Texas coast by Friday. Let's look at the models. Friday rains on the coast only, and then it thins out. By Saturday morning, we're dry, but then look what happens. Saturday afternoon, we fill in 3 to 4 p.m. Now, keep in mind, high-resolution data arrives tomorrow. We'll get a bit more of a fine-tune on exactly the timing and what we can really lean into with a little more confidence. So right now, 40% chance mostly in the afternoon. So there's a better chance afternoon than morning as of now. Next 2 days, like I said, 10% chance. Don't expect any rain. Okay. Then by Sunday, we're dropping chances again, only to return by Tuesday, the 19th. 30% chance Wednesday the 20th. In case any of these days means something on your calendar, just prepare for isolated showers. But the weekend of the 23rd and 24th looking pretty good, mid-90s. Weekend of the 23rd, bro. That's a huge, it's hunting season, and we're pumped about one of our favorite local fighters.
Eddie the Hunter Ortiz in the ring.